In this video, you are going to see how to put three tables side by side in Microsoft Word document as you can see here. Let's get started. Let us go to Insert, go to Table. Let us choose a 3 by 1 table. If you want, you may add the title. Let us write here Table 1, Table 2 and Table 3. Go to the first cell and hit Enter. Then a new line will be appeared. Then go to Insert, go to Table, choose the table of your choice. Let us choose a 3 by 3 table. Go to the second cell, hit Enter and choose a 3 by 3 table. Go to the third cell, hit Enter, Insert, go to Table, choose a 3 by 3 table. But this is not looking good. I want to remove the border of the main table. So let us click on over this 4 arrow key. Then the table will be selected. Click on right button. Go to Table Properties, go to Border and Shading and click on None and click on OK and click on OK. Then the border will be removed. But if you want to move it freely, this is not possible. We can apply another trick. Go to Insert, Shape, pick a text box and drag it over here like this. Select the main table, press Ctrl C to copy and click on the text box and press Ctrl V to paste. Now if you want to remove the border of the text box, click on over here, go to Shape Format, go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Now you can move the table freely and put it anywhere. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.